Want to learn a pretty quick way to put finish coatings on all your paintings? There's many ways to do this, but if you can do it quickly and efficiently and it works and you do it all together, it's pretty fast and the results are great. So I just wanted to share with you what I do. This is a lot of the paintings for the show. Not all of them are here, but they're all finished. Now all of them are going to be treated the same way. And this, doing things in groupings like this, is definitely the way to go. So getting them all finished. Now they're all horizontal and I'm going to do a finish coat. These are acrylic paintings, and they're all sealed with gloss medium, all the pastel, everything's fixed, so nothing can smear. That's really important. And this is a water-based urethane, and satin finish is what I like. I use a big old brush. I think this is 5 or 6 inches, maybe 6 inches. And I love this giant container that holds a lot. And let me show you how I put this finish on. I'm putting a lot on all at once, but all it takes is one coat. And again, the brush is damp because I don't want this finish drying in here and ruining the brush. So what I do is I put a lot on, as you can see, quite a lot at first. Some will run down the sides, but that's okay. And I have extra, I just push it out. I'm looking to get a nice, smooth, even coat. It's okay, you can let some drip off the sides. I can wipe that up when I'm done. I have pretty long arms, so I can go pretty far out here. So now I'm smoothing that out. And if I have a lot of extra on the brush, I'll just stick it out there. Smooth. There's a lot here, but it's not pooling. I kind of make a visual note of where I am. I'm up to that white mark. I'm just getting it all smooth. Then I come from the other side, and all the work is signed. Everything's done. It's a nice, generous coat, but there's no pooling. And now I'll take a roll of paper towels, and I'll wipe up the extra. Of course, it dries clear, so it's not a big deal, but I'll wipe up some from the sides. And then I let that dry overnight, and that's it. I just have 13 more to go. But this gives a really nice satin finish to these and protects them, and they just look really beautiful. And there's one more thing I forgot to say. You want the brush strokes to be going up and down vertically, because with the light falls, it won't cast shadows. If you go horizontally and hang the art up, the ridges, if there's ridges in the finish, will catch the light. So you want to always go vertically as it's seen on the wall. So think about that when you're putting it on. This painting is going to stand up like that. Let me know in the comments how you finish your art. There's 1,000,001 ways to do this. This is just how I found it to be really efficient and fast. I hope you get out today and make some art. Thanks for being here.